I am going to show you how to combine multiple PDFs into one using Adobe Acrobat DC20. Hello everyone, it's Kashim here from MEM Tech Pro. I am going to show you how to combine multiple PDFs into one using Adobe Acrobat DC20. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So let's check it out.
Just have a look my desktop. One folder is here named tutorial. Just let me open it. Basically, I created 3 PDF files already that we are going to combine. The first one, page 1, with an apple. We've got page 2 with a mango. And page 3 with an orange on it. So those are the files we are going to be combining today. And here you can see my Adobe Acrobat DC, and let's open up the Adobe Acrobat DC. Here you can see tools. Just click on tools. Then you can see here combine file. Then click open. Here you can see add files. Now click add files, then double click tutorial folder. Then select all pages together, or you can select one by one, it's up to you. Then open. So page 1, page 2 and page 3, those are all added. There's a button here in the top right side that says combine. So let's go ahead and just click that and look at that. It is created a combined PDF for us. So here's the new combined PDF. You can see here 1 by 3. It says page 1. I can scroll down page 2 and page 3, and it's all done.
So I hope this video helped you out in combining your PDFs. Also remember to subscribe Mem Tech Pro, because I got many videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. If you have any questions, comments, leave it below and I will answer it. And if you enjoyed the video, like it, share it and tell to the other people about it. Thank you for watching and take care.